Hello, this is Andrew with Red Door. I'm making a video on how to edit a WordPress page on your website. So I'm just going to show you how to do it here on this Casa Carolina uh, mockup site that we have on our server. So let's say that you have a website, you received the website from us, and you want to update something on one of your pages. This is the home page here. Let's say that I want to change something on the home page. Let's say something very basic. For example, this text here in the middle. The first thing you need to do is go to the link that we sent you, the WordPress login. Usually, you could just type in the domain name and then WP and then -admin, and that'll take you to this login form where you use your username and password. You should have this. I usually click remember me so that I don't have to remember the password or get it from the Excel spreadsheet where I have it. So once you're logged in, you're going to be able to see the dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. Here on the left side, you have all your options. In the middle, it's kind of a glance of what's going on in your back end. You can always change this and modify it, but for that, first let's get familiar with the left side here. So let's say that I want to change this middle text here on the home page. The first thing you need to do is locate the pages. Here is the button for the pages. You click on that. And once I click on that, it'll show me the list of all the pages that we have created for you on your website. So if you notice, obviously here's the home page, blog page, contact us, reserve, rooms and rates, Santa Marta, and all of those pages right here on the top of the on the top menu. On your page, the menu might be located in a different location, but either way, you'll be able to see those on the menu. So let's go ahead and click on Home because that's the page that we want to edit. Once we click on Home, it's going to actually open the page. And once that page is open, we'll be able to edit. It's taking a second here to load. All right, so here the page is loaded. Notice how it says Page Builder here. This is basically the layout of the page, the way that the page is laid out on the back end. So let's say I want to, like we said before, we've got the slider on the top, and then we've got under it, we've got this text. This text here is located right here. We've got the text, which is actually the slider that's in there. Then we've got the divider, which is this orange line. And then we have the blurb. The blurb is actually what we're going to be editing. So now I have that open. And if I scroll down, I've got a lot of options. They're really self-explanatory. You can just read the options and click on them and change around whatever you want. Just make sure that, that you read what the options are. So for the text, if you scroll down, here is that text. Let's say I wanted to add something like call us today, just to make that that change. I'll click on Save, and that's saved it here so far in the back end, but it has not updated the site. So if I were to close this out, nothing will change on the site. In order to, for my change to be made, I have to click on Update. And once that's updated, I can check if the change has been made by going back to the home page here and refreshing. So here, once I refresh, at the end of the sentence, it's going to say contact us today. So let's go ahead and do that. Refresh. Internet's running a little slow, but it looks like it's refreshing. Yeah. Oh, there's that change right there. Contact us or call us today. So that's how you change text on a blurb. Remember that on the page builder you have different sections, and you could, they're pretty self-explanatory. I mean, they're just the way that you see it here on the page. That's how it's laid out. So if you see a slider, for example, and you want to change a slider, obviously you're going to it's going to be logical to click into that text module and look at it. But then you see that there is no slider there. You actually have shortcode that calls the slider over. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to update the slides. You don't do it through the page builder. You actually have to go through one of the menus here for the sliders. So that's how you change the text on a blurb. Let's say that I want to change, for example, you have these pictures here down here. Let's say I want to change one of these, or maybe even this text here. If you notice on the builder, that's where that second divider is, that orange line. Then the images, the 3 images that we have here, which are explore the hotel, see our rooms and rates, activities, entertainment, and tours, and get in touch with us. So if I want to change one of these pictures, I would just click on here, these 3 little lines, and I can literally upload a different picture if I want, but I'm not going to do that. We don't have any text on that picture or anything like that, so we leave everything the same way and you just click save. But I'm not going to do that because I didn't change anything. Now that text that you see under it, explore the hotel, is right here, text. Click on the 3 little lines to edit, and there's explore the hotel. Let's say I wanted to change the font or something. Let's say mission. Save, update, and then I refresh on my browser, and then that'll change the font. I'll go back in there and change it so that it doesn't look that way, because we want to keep it the way it was before. But yep, see how that changed there. So that's a really simple way to change stuff, basic things on your site. Again, if you have any questions, obviously I'm available via email or cell phone. Feel free to contact me. All right, thank you. Bye.